Qwen3-TTS is ruling the voice AI at this point in time. We already covered this model locally. We saw how to design a voice, how to clone a voice, and how to also do some custom voicing. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install and then run this Qwen3-TTS model in ComfyUI. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Not only I'm going to show you how to get it installed, I will also be showing you how you can get the free workflow for this video. If you don't know how to install ComfyUI is or what exactly is ComfyUI, I would highly recommend that go to my channel, search with ComfyUI tutorial and watch this first video, which will make you a hero from zero in no time, and you should be able to get an up running with ComfyUI in no time. So I'm assuming you already have installed ComfyUI. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have 1 GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. In this video, I'm not going to talk much about Qwen3-TTS because I already have done it in this other video which I earlier showed you around its architecture, features and local installation without ComfyUI. So what I'm going to do here, we will just walk through the ComfyUI setup. So let's get started. First and foremost, you have ComfyUI installed, which I already showed you. You need to watch this video. Once you install this, just go to where you have installed ComfyUI, and then in the models directory, you need to download these two models as you can see here. So in order to download the model, just click on any of these, go to files, and then what you need to do, either you can just download all of these or a simpler way would be to use the CLI command. And for that, just run this command to create a new directory, Qwen-TTS, and then use this command to download the tokenizer and then the voice design model. And you can find all of these models here too. As you can see, voice design, custom voice. Now there are two variants of it. There is one 1.7 billion. If you don't have that much VRAM, just go with 0.6 billion. And I am just going to use 1.7, but it's very easy to use 0.6 billion too. If I quickly show you my repo, so I have downloaded all of them, both base models, custom voice, voice design and tokenizer. But if you don't have that much VRAM, just select any one of these out of 1.7 or 0.6 billion. Once you have the model, next step is to git clone the plugin for this Qwen3-TTS. For that, just go to cd wherever you have installed ComfyUI, into custom nodes, and in the custom nodes directory, just git clone this. And this is the repo where someone has gone in and created this ComfyUI Qwen3-TTS. So huge shout out to them. I think this is the name of the contributors, and I always love these people who just create it in the GitHub. Please go and start their repo because they are not really charging for anything. So amazing stuff. So this is where we have git cloned this stuff. I already have git cloned it, by the way, and then you would need to go into this repo, and this is a Qwen one. There you go. And from my apologies, my typing is not doing well today. Anyway, so you would need to install all the requirements from this root of the repo. One thing which I have struggled with here is the transformer version. The transformer version which they are using in their repo doesn't work. So make sure once you have installed that all the requirements, then you run this command in order to install the stable version of the transformers, and just run this command as is and everything should be good there. So this is all you need to do in terms of installation. And if you already have installed ComfyUI and it is running, just stop it and restart ComfyUI so that this new custom node would take effect. And once that's there, that's all good to go. And you can just go to your ComfyUI console. This is a ComfyUI. For the workflow, just again go to the custom node, their repo, this ComfyUI Qwen3-TTS, go into example directory, grab this example.json, drag and drop, and you can see that this is a workflow. How good is that? It is in Chinese. Now they have given workflow for all three features of this Qwen3-TTS, for voice clone, for custom voice, and for design voice. So what I have done is that I have I'll just go here and I'll show you. I have just separated them out. I have converted it into English. Like this is for the custom voice, and this is for, I'll just show you, design voice. So I'm just designing the voice as per the text prompt. I have even given it the character name. And then, so for example, this in design voice, this is the text where we are saying that some things, as long as a country needs them, someone has to shoulder and all that stuff. And this is a voice description, that a middle-aged male voice that is loud, deep, and strong in intensity. I have already generated it. Let me play it for you.
Some things, as long as the country needs them, someone has to shoulder the responsibility. Our generation laid the roads with our backs covered in soil. What you need to do is ensure that this road leads to the...
So you see, and you might not be able to hear that voice that clearly because I'm just running it from my system. My apologies, because I'm using it through my VNC client, and that is the only way of showing it at the moment. But you get the idea, and for the clear testing and all that stuff, just watch this video. But this video is mostly as how to run it in the ComfyUI. So this is a custom voice one. So I just showed you the voice design, and this is a custom voice where I have just given it in English, and then language is English. Make sure that you have selected the speaker, model choice, and all the rest of it. You can also change the seed if you're not satisfied with the result, because this is what the advantage of ComfyUI is, that it is quite customizable. Once that's done, this is again the character name. I have just kept it as is. Let me play it for you.
You're way too much. Ruined all my stuff. And don't even know how to admit your mistake. You only feel comfortable when you make me angry. Stop bothering me and go away.
You see, so the custom voice shows the emotion and all that stuff, and we have discussed that in great detail in the other video. And this is a voice clone one, where I have selected one of my own audio from my local system, as you can see. And then the text is like the video, subscribe to the channel and become member, and it is going to create it. While that happens, let's quickly check the VRAM consumption, and this is a 0.6 billion one. So it is consuming 7 gig of VRAM tops, and it has created the audio for me. So this is a 0.6 billion. Okay, so it let me download it and then play it for you, because it is not working in my VNC remote client. Okay, now let me play it in the browser. Like the video, subscribe to channel and become member. Yeah, that's it. Try it out. Let me know how you go. If you face any issues, put it in the comments. Let's work it out together, because we still are working on the bleeding edge. Again, please become a member and follow me on X if you like. Thank you for all the support.